Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the camera and confirming a charged battery or stable 12V feed. This is why consistent power prevents connection drops. Next, insert an SD card, and if required, the SIM or Wi-Fi module so the camera can talk to the network. Open the Moultrie mobile app and sign in. This links the device to your account. Once done, follow the app prompts to add a new device so the camera appears ready for configuration. Now continue by choosing cellular or Wi-Fi setup inside the app. The app walks you through pairing, which exchanges credentials between phone and camera. Make sure the camera is where signal strength is good. Weak RSSI causes failed uploads, so move it closer or change orientation if needed. Configure operational settings like name, upload frequency, photo resolution, and push alerts. These choices control battery life and data use. Once paired, the camera will attempt its first upload and report status in the app. Finish by verifying the camera sends its first image and that timestamps and location are correct. If the time zone is off, change it in the app so records are accurate. Securely mount the camera, seal compartments against moisture, and set conservative upload intervals to preserve batteries. If the camera won't connect, reboot it and re-attempt pairing. Then check APN settings or Wi-Fi credentials, try a fresh SIM or different router band, and retest. This single troubleshooting step fixes most link failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.